Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sugar Sauce Crypto. On this video, we're gonna talk about how you can get really rich in cryptocurrency. 100% honesty, pure percent facts. We are gonna talk about it because the only coin that I see at the moment that can provide you with that rich wealth drive is HEX. That's the only one. Because if you buy Bitcoin, on Bitcoin, you can buy a Bitcoin and you can hold it until it reaches 100 grand by 2025. But you don't accumulate more satoshis. You don't get payouts. Hex provides that. Hex is a smart contract built on Ethereum, and it pays you about 38% APY. Every day you get paid. Okay, and it's proven to work. And 38% is a ridiculous number. That's why a lot of people think it's a scam, but it's actually not. I have cashed out thousands of dollars, and this product works. It's proven to work. Now, in order for you to buy HEX, it's kind of complicated a little bit because you need to have a lot of money right now. So if you have stakes in HEX, you're a lucky guy or a girl, because Ethereum gas fees are very extremely high, and that's why Richard Hart is gonna hard fork Ethereum, and it's going to create Pulsechain, another network, hard forking it. So that means if you hold HEX, you're going to have HEX a 1-on-1 ratio airdrop on the Pulsechain. But if you have HEX in stakes right and you're staking it right now, you're lucky. Now HEX is protecting you from yourself. The only person that can betray you in cryptocurrency from you getting rich is yourself. HEX is a certificate of deposit, and it helps you by locking up your money and getting payouts. And if you remove the money, if you end your stake early, you get penalized. And that's a really good way to discipline people, investor, to accumulate wealth over time and wait for the next all-time high, because we're crashing right now, and incentivize the user, the holder, the investor to build wealth over time. Now, right now, HEX work as with T-shares. We call it trailing shares. Right now, the payouts are pretty ridiculous. It's around 6 HEX a day. Now, if you scroll down on HEX, on gohex.com, on stake, you're gonna realize that the payouts were like 1 HEX a day, 2 HEX, 3 HEX, 4 HEX, and right now it's paying out 6 HEX per day. You can't beat that. You can't. There's like, and right now it's trading. HEX is trading around 18 cents. So it's been holding pretty good up there despite this drop that hasn't been occurring in the markets. But I tell you guys, HEX is something that you should look into. I'll be leaving links in the description below because it incentivizes people for you to stake, hold long term, and based on how long you stake your HEX is based on how many T-shares you get, or how many B shares you get, billions of shares you get. Based on that, it's going to be your payout. But believe it or not, one of the things that hurt people the most is trading, is timing the market. You got to spend time in the market, not spending timing the market, reading the market. Oh, I'm gonna buy now because it's cheap. No, you buy and you hold and you get a payout. That's why I don't really like Bitcoin that much. I own a lot to Bitcoin. I've been investing in Bitcoin since 2013. I made a lot of money in Bitcoin, but I had to move on. Okay, I can't invest based on my emotions and think to myself, oh, just because Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, I'm gonna just buy it and keep it and hold it. No. I'm gonna move on to the next generation, the new innovation in cryptocurrency, and that's HEX, that's Pulsechain, that's PulseX. I'll be leaving links in the description below. Please do further research if you want to be a great investor. But I gotta talk about this for a sec. The reason why HEX is not in CoinMarketCap on the first front page, despite that HEX has a large market cap of $24.54 billion, is because CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange incentivize people. They make money of traders. So if you have a coin that you trade a lot, they want that. They want, because they make money off your fees. So the fees when you trade, that's how they make the money. Now, if HEX, it's not in their interest to put it on the first page. That's why they call it that there is gate kept, because it doesn't incentivize people to buy and hold, and they don't make money on people buying a coin and just holding it and staking it. That's not under their interest. Their interest is for you to grab that coin and trade it back and forth based on your emotions, timing the market, And that's the wrong approach to get rich in cryptocurrency. There's only two people that get really wealthy in cryptocurrency, and those are the developers, obviously the developers, founders, and the holders, the ones that hold the most, the longest. So the longer you hold, the longer you're going to get paid. You have to be very disciplined these days and learn to hold, learn to get payouts. Now, I use Nomics because Nomics, they put Hex right in front page. Right now, we're ranking in number 10, you know, on the market cap. We're about $24.63 billion. And on Nomics, it's not gate capped. But Coinbase, since it's owned by Binance Exchange, that's why it's not in Coinbase. And that's why a lot of people don't know about Hex, because it's not on the coin market cap, which is the mostly common use place to look for coins to invest into. And I advise you guys to start looking into it. There's links on the description below like crazy where you can look at the payouts per day. You can look at the liquidity pools that they have available on Hex. Guys, there's a lot to talk about in Hex, about Hex, but I'm going to keep this video short. Make sure to subscribe and like. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. I'll be leaving the links on the description below. Make sure to follow Richard Hart on the description below. Guys, please do your research. Please buy and hold, and make sure you're getting paid every day, because if you don't get paid every day, it doesn't matter if the price is going up or down. What's more important is that if you're holding, you have diamond hands. If you're holding long term and you're getting that payout. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.